was Aristotle who said, "Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow, ripening fruit." I first met Larry Flynn in law school and have known him now for more than 40 years. Larry comes from a lawyer's family. His father was a lawyer, his brother Patrick is a lawyer, his son Lawrence is a lawyer, his brother-in-law and a nephew are lawyers, and another nephew has married a lawyer. Further, all 7 of Larry's siblings attended USC. The Flynn family has us all surrounded. After graduation, Larry practiced law in Charleston with attorney John Bleeker. It was there in the Charleston courthouse that Larry met his wife Ann, who was working as a paralegal. If it was not love at first sight that day, it was close to that. Larry and Ann moved to Spartanburg in 1980 when Larry went to practice with Ann's father, Pat Perrin, in the Perrin Law Firm. Pat, a 4th-generation attorney, became a legal mentor and partner to Larry for 20 years. The Flynns enjoyed the outdoors, cooked together, spent many enjoyable times at the lake, and raised their children in the Spartanburg community. When Pat Perrin retired, I saw my chance to partner with someone whom I respected, and he and I, along with Keith Kelly, set up Lister, Flynn, and Kelly in 2001. We practiced law together for 12 years, always with the utmost professionalism and seriousness. After Keith was elected to the bench and I retired, Larry began his current work with Pope Ziegler, a law firm concentrating in public finance, government, and utilities law. Over the years, I've learned that Larry is patient, curious, and extremely intelligent, traits that serve him well as a lawyer, an accomplished litigator, and as a certified mediator and arbitrator. His honesty is immediately obvious, and finally, he is kind, an attribute that becomes more valuable to all of us the longer we live. His years of community service are a tribute to both his perseverance and his willingness to engage in sometimes thankless tasks. He served as the chair of the Spartanburg County School District 7 and as a trustee for 12 years, as a member of the advisory board of the Palmetto Bank for 31 years, as a president of the Spartanburg Rotary Club and a member for 32 years, as a board member of the South Carolina Bar Foundation, and is a current board member of the Memory Hold the Door Committee for the South Carolina Bar. That list only brushes the surface of his community work. Along the way, he has collected many awards, including Boss of the Year from the Spartanburg County Legal Staff Professionals, a Special Service Award from the Blacksburg Fire Department, and the Morgan Award from the United Way of the Piedmont Leadership Society. One of Larry's favorite movies is The Shawshank Redemption, the story of a man who was wrongly convicted of murder, lives 20 years in prison, and eventually escapes prison to a beach in Mexico. Though the most startling part of the film is the discovery that Andy has escaped prison, the real significance of the movie is the examination of what it takes to accomplish a life well lived, even in the most difficult of circumstances. I think I understand why Larry loves this movie so much. As I consider Larry's life of devotion to family and friends, and his passion for the outdoors, public service, and the practice of law, it is a life well lived.